We are playing this game again, which I changed my outfit, and before we do it, you can like and subscribe. If you don't, that's just fine. Okay, we're oh my god. Wait. Press the button, you frick! Don't fall. Oh my god. Do not fall, you freaks. No. Oh. Do not fall, guys. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall, guys. Don't fall. Guys, I swear I said don't fall, you frick. Ah! No! No! We won! Yay! Let's celebrate. Reach to the other side. Easy peasy, my balls are squeezing. Whoa. Hey. Goofy ass. Looking. Maybe the queen. Nobody's the queen. Everyone is. Because bro's name is Spider-Man Blue. But is this your sister's account or something? I think we reached it. What on this? Career? Since when do you were fast? Yo. I am done. Sorry, but this brings your eyes. Haha, dumbass. Yeah, the floor is lava. Oh no, what the heck? Jump. You jump, fat ass. Yeah, I reached the top. Oops, my legs. Ah! Are you kidding me? I am drawing on my screen because I was bored. Okay.
The most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life is a banana next to a banana.
That's crazy. Just that. Choose a color. I'm picking red because this guy's picking red. Right? Choose color. Yeah, I think I really like red. My favorite color is red too. Watch out for the wall. Oh no, what the heck? It's not even moving at all. You see? It's not even moving. Jumpy jump. Yeah. It's a banana and a it's like a banana. Watch out for the rock. Oh no! What the heck? The rock? Bro doesn't believe anything. It's a banana. It's only me and you guys. Fight. Oh, I'm gonna get right over there. Bubble. There you go. Yup. Nick. Yay! Dance party. We're just jumping. Hey yo. It's my Huggy Freaky. Huggy Big Balls. Juicy balls. Okay. Why am I being weird? No, Huggy. Blue hairy guy's gonna come for us. Deadpool. You're not cool, man. What's the actual heck of you? Adrian Jacob. No! Rock Flash. It's the bad thing is we can't just get this much time. You know? The Rock Flash, that's fun. I said fun! I said fun. Not the episode. Climb as high as possible. This acid. Ah! Yay! I'm gonna draw my balls. What the actual? Okay, we're back. Hey, one is small. Why are we small then? Why are we full? It's so big. Oh. Eat the ball. They wear tsunami? Oh, heck no. Even obbies are in the house. There's fire, man. Beware of the tsunami. What the heck? Beware of the tsunami. 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 Really on purpose, by the way. Think fast. Burning sticky thingy. Are you kidding me? I don't get the floor lava. Okay, let's get these fatties. Get this coin. Get the coins. If you know, if you can. Fat out looking. You could be like, oh, we did it. Except for these dumbass. Bro is so dumb, bro. Bro's even dumber than my grandma. For sure. My grandma's smarter than her. Loki. Is this Savai Jenna the fat ass. Bro, this is scaring me right now. It's only me and Adrian and Jacob and my guy. Bro, you're literally doing this. Bro, why is your leg disconnected from me? Watch out for the wall. Oh no. Isn't it? Watch out for the wall. Is it literally right there? Like literally? Like literally? Oh no, there's a flood. Flood. Bro, I feel bad for you, Spider-Man. No, he died. Man. I feel bad for you. I feel bad for him. Really. He's alive now, yay! Ball pit! Actually, some good one. Finally, some actual good and fun and colorful one. Bro, not all those killing things. Among Us? Among Us? Nah, since when did we had Among Us here? It's just crazy, man. Among Us world. I'm gonna be in the vents. Oh, you can't. Oh. I look cool. I look handsome. Thank God. Oh no, I'm in this pit. Oh, what can I do here? What can I do? Wait, is that actual hell? Okay. Where's Juice Ball me? Where is me? Where's the fish? Oh my god, yeah. Oh, Bob hit. Again? We don't want it again. Did we already have this? It just keeps teleporting us the same thing. Now it's 6. Now 6. Even 5. Quickly, but run. I swear it's gonna be like. Oh no, there's a flood warning. I just got a flood warning from my iPhone 16. No, being an iPhone. Ball. 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 Career. Don't finish. I'm running fast as heck. I finished. I am in first place. Yeah. I'm in first place. Excuse me, queen. Glitch, by the way. I'm the winner. Yay. I want to die. Dodge the laser. Yay. I dodged the laser. Jump. 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 When are you gonna get this again? Everyone is small. Especially the cat. The cat being through the glass is just crazy, man. Oh, I thought I was gonna throw myself. I'm regular. How are you so tall? Is that a black hole? I thought it was a fan, but invisible. Yeah, eat me. Eat me. Oof. I keep oofing all the time because I'm a bad guy. Speed run. You see that? And broken these facts again. I'm in the lead. Who thinks they're not? Who thinks they're not? I am stupid. I win. Well, everyone loses because I'm the only winner. Let's see what we can get from this store. We can get a blow friggy. We can get a pizza. I got a pizza. This is what I got. Space rocket. Space rocket? Nobody's in the space rocket, right? The button is red. Oh. Oh. Did I got burnt? Oh, I can't get burnt. Welcome to Final Phase. Let's start. I think it's Final Phase. Go to the white platform. It's literally right there, bro. People who die so long. Run to the white. Okay. Run to the. I'm literally right there. You mean run to the black platform? I think it picked white fruit because it's racist. Yo, run to white. It's like a checker color thing. I do not understand, but okay. When you get a game finish, it's just only black and white. This is dumb. Trampoline. You need to jump very high to get points. I'm eating pizza to give me energy. I'm getting pizza to give me energy. I'm double jumping. This trampoline is big as heck. What? Deadpool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got to the top there. Select the button. I'll do my last one. And then we can make a third one next over tomorrow. My last one, if it's not bad, I'll see you. Okay. I'm trying to collect the item. Ooh, nice coil. That's a nice looking coil. By the way, it's a yep. Don't get blown away. This is my last one, okay? If I don't get blown, wait, I've been dying all the time, so I like blow. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.